videoing.
Baby, you got why you're doing landscape.
Always a critic. And we rolling.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
He's giving me filming lessons.
Yeah. You're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. And today, we're going to go up and check out Prentice Cooper, just on the other side of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We kind of know what to expect. We've been there before. We rode four-wheelers there. Last year, year before, we took a side-by-side up there, but we never had the Jeep, so we're going to take the Jeep up there. We're actually pulling in to meet someone else, some friend of ours with their Jeep, and we're just going to go up there and have fun. And thank y'all for watching, and hope you enjoy it.
Well, we got a little sidetrack.
Oh, are you recording? Oh. Well, we finally made it to Chattanooga. And Highway 24 is so jacked up that we've been on about a 45-minute detour just to get around Chattanooga. So. But we're crossing the river here, so we're getting close to Prentice Cooper.
Think about it.
Well, we're almost there. We may have one of the roads we was going to go down was Haley Road, and on Haley Road there's a creek crossing, and it can get pretty bad if they've had a lot of rain. It's winter time, so typically we get a lot of rain. So we're going to have to go down there and check it out. Maybe it's not water level's too high. Maybe it's not flowing. It usually has a pretty bit of strong current. So we're going to check it out. That's one of the most popular roads probably out here in Prentice Cooper is Haley Road, just for its scenery, some of the technical areas that it has. It's just a beautiful road, so we'll see what we can find, what we come up with.
It's also our daughter's name.
Yeah, it's also our daughter's name. We took her down that road when she was probably
8.
I was going to say 6 or 8, something like that. Probably 8.
She panicked.
Yeah, rightfully so. It really wasn't that deep. It just looked deep because of the way the current was flowing through there, but it wasn't that. Now we're on, I think, Game Reserve Road, which just leads into Prentice Cooper. Saw some other trucks pulling in, so that's a good sign. One thing you should know about Prentice Cooper is it's definitely, of course, it's state property with public access, but they close at certain times of the year, throughout the year for hunting season. So you need to check the dates when you want to come up here and make sure it's open.
Get along someday, some way. We'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday. some way, we'll find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way, we'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday, someday.
What do you think about it so far?
Pretty awesome. It's been, obviously they got a lot of rain here. There's just water everywhere on the trails, the roads. Just got to tread lightly. Try not to make a mess. It's beautiful down in here with the cedar trees and stuff.
Remember, while you're out and about on the trails, do like us.
Bring snacks and water, right?
Yes, but if you see trash, pick it up.
That is a very good tip. think they got a bunch of them, the way it looks.
There's water everywhere.
We gotta head to Haley's Road. It's gonna be dark here in a couple hours.
Let's go.
We're heading there. Gotta find it. I can't remember. I know where it's at, but there's in Haley Road. So we're gonna get back out to the main road, and you'll find it before it gets too late. For Prentice Cooper, this is kind of where everybody wants to come. Pretty mild till we get down in here. There's some technical sections, but a lot of people like it just because it's just gorgeous once you get down into the valley, get down here at the bottom of it, where there's a creek crossing.
River.
A river. It might be a river today. We're going to check it out, see how deep it is, and hopefully we can get across it because it's just pretty back through here. So we got the friends with us. They're behind us. Their first time here. guys, so that's a little look at Prentice Cooper. We wasn't able to cross the creek on Haley's Road. Didn't want to risk it. As you can see in the video, the water was flowing pretty good and just unsure how deep it actually was. Last thing we want to do is swamp the Jeep and have a problem and leave ourselves not a way to get back out. But anyways, we need to get up here and just check it out, do some exploring. I think you'll really enjoy the area. And make sure you comment. I'd like to hear your comments about Prentice Cooper, and if you've traveled up here before or explored. I think they do offer some campsites. Primitive camping is available as well, and then there's different hunt dates that it's closed to the public. So anyways, subscribe, like the video, and until next time, see y'all. Well, it's just a little extra video.
This is the aftermath.